You're watching Chris and the Donnas. Hello, and welcome to our video about our final excursion following our Norwegian Escape Eastern Caribbean cruise. We decided to visit Kennedy Space Center in Cape Canaveral, Florida before flying home. Our first stop was at the Apollo Saturn V Center. The Donnas was in elementary school during much of the Apollo program, and I was a preschooler. Even though our memories of the program are limited due to our young ages at the time, we were fascinated by the various exhibits as well as the size of the rockets on display. On our way back to the visitor complex, we rode by the Vehicle Assembly Building. This facility had been used to assemble the space vehicles for the Apollo and Space Shuttle programs. Today, the building continues to serve as the assembly station for the next generation of space vehicles. The Donnas and I were old enough to remember the years of the Space Shuttle program. We connected more with the Atlantis attraction and its various exhibits. Several of those exhibits were interactive and allowed guests to experience the history of the Space Shuttle program. To learn more about the Kennedy Space Center, please visit their website at www.kennedyspacecenter.com. We have included the web address in the description below. The Atlantis attraction had a nice memorial to honor the astronauts who lost their lives on the Challenger and Columbia space shuttles. On our flight home, we enjoyed viewing this sunset from the air. Don't forget to like this video by giving it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below to let us know what you think. If you're not a subscriber, click the red subscribe button below. And keep up with our latest videos by clicking the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out these other videos, and we'll see you next time.